What's up guys, this is Nathan from Curiosity Co and today we're going to be unboxing an iPhone 6s. Now we'll get to the unboxing itself. Okay, what the hell? That seems like an official Apple AirPods. That is a nail cutter. I'm gonna cut my nails. Why does Apple do this? I mean Apple, where is my lightning cable? Where is my power brick? What is this thing? I don't even know what this thing is. Is that a screwdriver? I don't know. That does not make a delicious soup. Did that fit in there? I don't know. Oh god. Completely scratched up, but looks like official Apple AirPods. Good. Finally they switched to flat style lightning cable. Oh my god. Is that even lightning? Oh my god, that is micro USB. That is not lightning. Why Apple? Why are you doing this? Paperwork. I don't like paperwork. That looks like the official deal. Okay. We'll get to the phone itself. Looks like it's got a case on. Seems to be a black one. Is that a black one? I don't see the camera. Where is the camera? Is that even an iPhone? That doesn't even look like an iPhone 3G or something. That is not an iPhone. That runs straight up Android. That looks a little bit like Jelly Bean. Oh my god. Okay, so there we have it. Unboxing of an iPhone 6s, supposedly, maybe.